completely adjustable poles from 1.2.5 to 3.4.5. So now you can shed some water, huh?
Yeah.
The different pitch or sun, shade kind of stuff, huh? Pretty easy to adjust. What other stupid questions do you get, Brandon?
Do I have to take this awning off every time I drive somewhere? No.
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 It's pretty sturdy here.
Just leave the fucking thing on. Leave the awning
Yeah,
on.
look at it. It's gonna go down the road just fine.
Just don't leave it open when you take off.
Here's another one. Can this awning fit on a 20 or a 20X base camp? Yes, it can fit on any base camp. You can put it on the other side of your trailer. We make a smaller 4-footer for the rear. Overland Vehicle Systems, who manufactures this awning for us, they also make a longer one. This is a 6.5. They make an 8-footer. Why don't we offer that? Because it's too heavy. So you only get this awning. Do not take our brackets and try to put the bigger awning on, or you'll ruin the extrusion on the trailer. And then, what do you think about this awning?
Did we totally sat under it?
She summoned the door closed.
Dee da dee doo doo, dee ba dee doo.